Hey guys, what's up? How are you? I hope that you guys are having an amazing day today. Thank you so much for being here again. If you are a returning subscriber, if you're new, hi, my name is Gerel, and in today's video we're going to be doing my Boxycharm unboxing. I do have both of the boxes, premium and base box. They were kindly sent to me, so thank you so much to Boxycharm for sending this over my way. They did not ask me to do any review or anything like that. I always do my Boxycharm unboxings and try, and I've been doing it for a very long time, and I actually love and really enjoy doing this video for you guys and just trying on the makeup that I receive and all of that. I will have a link down in the description area just in case you're interested in signing up for Boxycharm using my link, and if you do, thank you very much in advance. And yeah, I did get ready. By the way, I did get ready using all these products, and I did wear this makeup, so if it doesn't look as fresh as it did in the beginning, it's because I got ready a very long time ago. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into the video. But before we do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and you can also click on the little bell so you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. And without further ado, let's get on to the video. So we're starting with the base box first. So when you open up your box, you're going to get this little card right here. And in this little card, you're going to get all the information of all the products that you receive in your box, as well as the retail price. There's also some information here, which is breaking news. So the drop shop is formerly known as the add-ons, and you can get up to 70% off a retail price for all the products, which is amazing. And that is in October 11th. And on November 8th, and this only happens 4 times a year, is called the Mega Drop Shop, which is formerly known as pop-ups. You can pretty much get up to 80% of retail prices of a lot of good stuff, and that is from high-worthy beauty brand, tools, wellness, and home items. And there's also going to be the Boxy Beauty Bash, and that is going to be in early November. So if you are interested in knowing a little bit more about this, definitely go to the Boxycharm website, or you can use my link down in the description area. Let's go ahead and do the unboxing, because that was a lot of information for you, but there's definitely some things changing, and I just want to keep you up to date, especially if you are already a subscriber from Boxycharm and you're not really aware of what's happening. I just want to give you as much information as possible. Also, check out my description area if you just want to know the times for specific thing that you are interested in, whether it's the base box, premium box, the try-on portion. There's going to be timestamps down below. All right, so the first product that I want to share with you guys is this right here from Glow Recipe, and this is the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops, and this retails for $34. I already have it, and I've been using it, and it is so good. It actually gives you the most beautiful glow on your skin, and I absolutely love it. So now I have a backup, which I do appreciate. All right, next we have from Ace Beauty. I'm pretty sure that I'm not pronouncing that right, and I do apologize, but this palette retails for $34.99, and this is called the Falling For You palette. I really think that the color story for this palette, it is perfect for this time of year. It is absolutely stunning, and I've already tried palettes from this brand before that I've also received in my Boxycharm, and the quality for these eyeshadows is just out of this world. Really nice, beautiful, blendable, really pigmented, and the shimmer that I have on my eyelids right now is this one that is called Apple. I'm going to be showing you a demo right now, but it's just so pretty. I actually just wanted to keep it really nice and simple. I didn't want to put too much on my eyes, so what I did, I actually just used this right here, this shade, which is called Squash, and I use that as my transition shade. And then I use the shade Autumn, which is this beautiful shade right here, to add a little bit of definition again on the crease and to deepen up the outer corner and the outer V, I use the shade Pine Cone, which is this one right here. And once I blended everything really nice to my liking, I decided to pop the shade Apple all over my lid. And let me tell you, this shade, it didn't really look like it was going to be that super special. But once it touched my lid, it was absolutely beautiful, exactly what I wanted. I did end up adding a little bit of an inner corner highlight from another palette that I have already in my collection, but this is a super pretty. I want to use this palette again to create a fun look using this row right here, and this one again is going to be like super pretty for like a purpley kind of look. And I didn't want to do that because I've done that in the past with my Boxycharm palettes that I received. That's why I wanted to keep it more on the natural side. I usually go crazy, but because I was really getting ready for the day, I wanted to just keep it super chill, and that's why I decided to use this beautiful Rhode and this burgundy brown right here, which is called again Pine Cone, is super pretty. So yeah, that's what I did on the eyes. And to clean up the little fallout that I had from the eyeshadow, this is from the brand Julep. This is the makeup remover towelette, and this retails for $20. Next product that we have is this one from Tint Beauty, and this is the Lash and Brow Duo, and this retails for $29. I decided to only use the mascara part of it because when I saw the one for the brows, to be quite frank and honest with you guys, it looked really messy. Like I was no way going to use this right here, especially today because I was trying to get somewhere, I was trying to get ready. But I will try it in my own time and I'll keep you guys posted. The last product that we have in our box is from Julie's Beauty, and it is called the Wing Stamp Eyeliner, and it retails for $22. I don't know about this, just because this one worked out really good, but this one not so good. So it could be my eyes, it could be the product, but I wanted to try it before I ended the video. So there you go. All right, so let's go ahead and open up our premium box. All right, so the first product that we have here is from the brand 111 Skin, the Antioxidant Energizing Essence, and this retails for $100. I'm just gonna let you think about that for a second. Here is the bottle. Really nice glass packaging. It does really feel luxurious, and it smells like a spa in a bottle, and it's just so good. It actually felt really nice on the skin as well. So I am happy that I got this in my box. Would I go out of my way to repurchase it? I don't think so. So the next product that we have here is this one from the brand Dew of Gods. We received something from this brand last month and I totally did not like it, which was the lip scrub. I just thought it was really kitty. I didn't really appreciate it, but this one right here I really do like, and I thought it was amazing. This is the Dew of Gods, again, Fila Collagen Under Eye Pads, and this retails for $20, and you get 10 sets, which is so good. Not only that, but I'm going to show you the demo right now. It actually sticks to your under eyes, but not like glue or, you know, really harsh or anything like that. It just stays in place and it soothes your under eyes, and it just felt really nice. I love the fact that it wasn't like sliding down my face, because I always have that issue with other under eye products, but this one actually stayed in place and it just worked really good. My daughter was having a little bit of a bad day, so I said, hey, you want to do some under eyes with me? And she was like, yeah. And she loves skincare just like her mama's. Next item that we have is from Rowan Beauty, and this is the Val Brow pencil, and it retails for $26. I like this one, and they actually sent me a shade in medium. It was really good because it actually stayed pretty neutral. So here is the pencil. You have a spoolie. I love the fact that it's not too creamy, that it's sliding all over the place. You do have to put a little bit of pressure, and it takes a little bit of time for you to start warming up the product, but once you get it going, it's really nice. and I did really like it. So the next item that we have in our box is this Benefit Cosmetics Georgia Golden Peach Blush. This retails for $30, and as soon as I saw this blush, I was so happy because I haven't purchased anything from Benefit Cosmetics in a very long time. I don't know why, but I just wanted to smell it because they just smell so good. Like anything that is in these little boxes, they have like such a classic scent to them, and I really like it. It was a little bit too light. I actually did have to add a little bit more of a different blush for my collection just because it was a little bit too light for me. Do really enjoy the glowiness that it gave on my skin, especially for like a blush topper. I think it's definitely going to work out for that. So the next item that we have is from Tarte, and this is the Man Eater Plumping Gloss, and this retails for $19. So when I saw this from Tarte, it just brought so much joy to my heart. The same thing from Benefit, just because these two brands right here, I used to like super be in love with them. So when I put it on my lips, it felt really nice. It does have that plumping effect. It's not too harsh at all. It does feel minty, just so you know. But I really do like this gloss. It's a little sticky, so I wouldn't like it on a windy day, and I love the shine that it gives your lips. Super nice, love it. So the last product that we have is this one right here, which is from the brand Voyeur Hair Care, and it is called Secrets in the Snow Soft Styling Foam, and this retails for $22. I had already my hair dry. It was curl from yesterday, but I'm actually looking forward to using this again when I wash my hair, especially for those days that I do not want to blow dry my hair or anything like that, but I still want to give it a little bit of wave and like beachy texture. This is definitely going to be the product that I'm going to be trying out. So that is it, my friends. That is it for the unboxing and the try-on. I hope that you enjoy the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and I will see you next time. Bye. Say bye. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.